Some turkeys in the yard this morning. Not really sure what they're eating. It looks like they're eating grass. I do have some seed for them. Pretty beautiful birds. They're all coming through the front yard here. Funny things, eh? Some fairly big ones in there. Whoa. Well, that's cool. From time to time we get deer and turkeys, and wonder where they're heading. Looks like they're behind my van now. Time to time we get animals coming through the yard here, and I've got a nice window over here as well. Kind of looks out into the woods. Sometimes we get animals coming through here, and deer and foxes. I know there's bears up here as well. I've seen them on the highway, and unfortunately I've seen a couple ones hit by vehicles on the highway, but I know they're up here, and haven't seen any bears come through here, fortunately. But yeah, I just thought I liked some nice close-up shots of some turkeys. Hope y'all having a good day, and talk to you soon.